Hi everyone, this is Bidyasar Salam from Pace Media, and in this video I want to talk about child theme. Why we need child theme, and is child theme still relevant in this era of base builders like Elementor, Divi, Viva? Is child theme still relevant? That's what I want to talk about today. We need child theme because as a designer or WordPress developer, we want to customize the looks or anything, or you want to add more extra functions or extra features. So we want to customize it. We want to add extra PHP code or JavaScript or CSS in this theme. But we can, without the child theme, we can go to theme editor and we can choose where we want to edit and edit the codes. Yes, we can edit it and it will work just fine. But those edits will be lost when you update this theme. Let's say new update of this Wasin WP theme comes and you want to update it. If you update it, then all these custom codes you edit in this theme folder will be lost. That's why we need child theme. In the child theme, you will have two files, one style CSS file and one functions.php file in the child theme. These two files only, they are blank, almost blank files, and inside these two files you can add your custom codes, PHP code or CSS, whatever you need. That's before. Yeah. Now almost all the 100% of your website is designed with Elementor. Yeah, most of the or other page builder, I am more inclined to Elementor page builder because I use it more. So most 100% is designed WordPress. 100% of the WordPress website is designed with Elementor now. It may be header, it may be footer, it may be content, it may be sidebar, it may be 404 page, it may be archive page, it may be single page, blog page, Woo product page, Woo archive page. Everything we can design, login page, everything we can design with Elementor. So what is the need for this child theme? Child theme is used before to design, customize the theme, add extra functions, but now we don't need it. Everything can be designed with Elementor. So is child theme still relevant? That's a question we need to ask. Okay, my opinion is yes, we still need child theme. A child theme inherited all the properties of the parent theme, but we can customize anything we want. So even if it is not for the design part, front-end design, it is for the back-end, sometimes we need to add extra functions. Okay, so we still need child theme. Before sometimes back, I have uploaded a video about uploading WebP files in WordPress. So in that video, I added some custom functions, custom PHP code inside functions.php. That function will be lost when the new update comes. If it was child theme, then that function will be not lost. So we still need child theme, even it is not for the style CSS but for the functions.php. Sometimes we need to add extra functions in this theme folder, so we still need child theme, and child theme is still relevant. And there are two ways to create child theme. One you create manually, and other you create automatically, and I will explain the two ways of creating child theme in my next video. And if you have any questions or doubts, you can leave a comment below, and if you have any video requests, you can send me an email or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching again.